We're giving this Lego set away, so if you'd like to win it, check out the finished build at the end of the video, and I'll tell you how you can. The goal of this channel is to one day get big enough that we're able to give Legos away to tons of unfortunate children. But right now, we're just giving them away to you, our lucky subscribers. So all you got to do is subscribe to the channel and keep a lookout for our giveaway videos, and you could win this Lego set. Thank you, and good luck.